Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video, and Madam Glam has recently sent me a lot of things, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys a really nice PR haul in regards to some of the new items that they have in store for you all, some new things that they've came out with, and just talking a little bit more about their products. This is definitely hands down one of my top favorite brands, so you should definitely expect future nail sets and videos on their products because I genuinely 100% love the quality. It's absolutely amazing. So here we have like 6 different boxes that I want to show you guys that they sent on over. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly put everything else aside, and we're gonna start off with this particular box. So this is how you receive your stuff, and yeah, if you're VIP you'll get 50% off. And I love how they're vegan, cruelty free, palm oil free, 21 formula free, and I don't know if it's pronounced Geniimarr or Hema free, but I really like that. They have very sleek, elegant packaging, and of course we gotta admire the nice packaging with like the foam and everything. I think that's very nice. So this is one of the PR packages that they sent over. So thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending me all these nice PR packages, and they've just sent them over time, so I decided I wanted to show you guys everything that they have sent. And then I will also be recreating different videos, me showing you like nail sets and all that with the products. So the first thing that they sent over was I believe this is a brush. Oh, okay. So this is a really nice brush, and this is an ultra liner. And this is the packaging. The black and gold is just so elegant and fancy. I absolutely love it. So this is what the brush looks like. Very precise, very nice. Absolutely love nail brushes, so really happy to have that. So they sent on over that. And also, I was super excited about this one in particular because they sent me over a no wipe top coat, and I prefer no wipe top coats over any type of top coat. So here's what this looks like, and I've already used it a couple times, and I love the consistency. It's thick, great quality, very shiny. I'm actually wearing it on my nails right now. It's a little rough because I've had them on for a while, but I really love this top coat. It doesn't peel or anything, so really nice. And in the back they have the ingredients, safe ingredients, and everything they stand for. So yeah, that's Madam Glam for you. And they are 15 ml each bottle, so I was really excited that they sent on over these goodies for me. And then they also sent on over the base coat. So this is what the base coat is like, very thick as well, very great quality. Definitely recommend you guys check them out. And also I do have a really nice coupon code for you all that will be linked down below in the description, or maybe on the screen as well. And then we also have a matte top coat. So this is something that I was really in the lookout for, like a really good quality top matte top coat. So I'm super excited to show you guys what this looks like. I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. So those are the things that they sent over in this particular package, along with a silver chrome gel paint. So I'm really excited about this. I've never used this before. This is what the packaging is looking like, ingredients and stuff. I haven't even opened it, so. But wow, look how amazing it looks. Literally looks like the foil. This is what it looks like on the hand, like obviously like the color, but I'm definitely gonna be swatching. Wow, this is incredible, honestly. So pigmented. Wow. I literally barely put any on as well, for you guys could see how I barely put anything on. And it literally covered the whole thing. This is amazing. I literally put so little product and it looks so pigmented and so pretty. You imagine having a nail set like that? That is beautiful. Wow. If you guys enjoyed this little section of the PR haul, I thought this was really nice. I will be trying out the matte top coat with one of the colored ones, so I'm just gonna keep that to the side. Okay, and next we're gonna move on to one of their other packages that they sent on over. And right here we have some gel polishes, and each of them do have a certain collection. So these are just their latest collections that have came out. So I did pick up these colors, and here we have, they're all 15 ml. They have vegan, cruelty free, everything they stand for, how good their products are. And it is a gel polish, and I also really appreciate when companies take their time to make bottles that show the actual color of the product on top. So this is the first color. First of all, I want you guys to see how pigmented it is. This is a really light pink, but it's showing off whitish on camera for some reason. But these are just so rich and creamy. Oh, I didn't even show you what this was called. This one's called Hollywood. And then the next one is called Riverwalk. This is like a white. Next we have the Boardwalk. I have this really beautiful color, and it is called a Walk of Fame. How beautiful this color looks. For this PR package, we have Higher Roller. Pigmentation in these colors is crazy. It's definitely something to admire and appreciate. So this is what the colors will look like glossy, and I want to show you really quickly what they would look like with a matte top coat by Madame Glam. So this is what it looks like here, and then with a matte top coat. Looks like matte, so it's a very, very great quality matte top coat. So yeah, this is what it would look like matte. Okay, so now I decided actually to do a nail set with what I showed you guys, or with at least some of the products. So I'm starting off by pushing my cuticles back. This is a cuticle pusher, and I'm literally just going to gently push them back really quickly. I'm going to take out my nail couture nails, and these are in the Extreme Square. So that is the name of them. If you're interested, they do cost $20. So I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and size them out. I hope you guys enjoy this little process of me doing so. So next, don't forget to prep your nails. I will be using a peel off coat because I won't be wearing these nails on for long. So here I'm just placing them on each individual nail and letting them air dry for a couple of seconds. And then we're going to move on straight to the tutorial. I don't know her new username, but her name is Polygel Vic, or Nails by Vic now, I think. And I really, really love her work. She's absolutely amazing. And I saw she did like a horizontal ombre. No, it wasn't horizontal. She did a vertical ombre. Wait, horizontal? Okay, she did an ombre. I'm sorry, I don't remember what it was exactly, but it was an ombre with gel polishes, and I wanted to do the same. So I definitely got inspired by her. But we have Walk of Fame and the Boardwalk. Those are the ones that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be adhering my nails with a base coat. It's my favorite way to adhere nails. So I attempted to do an ombre and it was a complete fail, but that's definitely okay. I'll be practicing it off camera. So I decided to do something different. It was more like kind of like just me mixing the colors together with a fine brush and that other brush that you guys saw. But yeah, I just ended up creating my own design when it came to that because I don't know, it was definitely a hot mess. So I just practically did a vertical like ombre, I guess you can say. Not ombre, I apologize, like a vertical marble type of thing. So yeah, you're definitely gonna see me here fail. I definitely want to include that because I am not perfect, and like I always mention, this is a learning experience for me and I genuinely just enjoy having fun and trying new things. If I fail at it, oh well, you know, you could always try again. But yeah, I definitely wanted to include that. And then I decided to do a vertical marble, practically, I guess I'd call it. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. So these are what the nails look like, and I am gonna be adding some glitter over the vertical marble. But before I do that, I'm grabbing some alcohol and lint-free wipe and removing the tacky layer off the gel polish. So now I'm just gonna go and apply some base coat on the brush that I'm gonna be applying some glitter onto some of the nails, the ones that have the vertical marble. I'm just going to be applying some glitter on there, kind of towards just the middle of each individual nail that I'm going to be doing it on. And that's pretty much it. Then I'm going to cure it. I did apply some base coat. And then we're going to be moving on to the ring finger. No, not the ring finger, but the middle fingernail. I will be applying some stickers. So the little stickers that I'm going to be using for this spring set are some flowers, and I did get this pack of 12 stickers through Shein. I recommend them 1,000 out of 1,000. They're literally amazing. They're not flimsy at all like these other ones that I have, like this that I got through Amazon. These are actually very great quality and they are super cute. I absolutely love them. And you get 12 sheets for like $3.50. So I definitely am happy I got these and I recommend them. And you can also see how they look on the nail. They look super cute. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some rhinestones onto the flowers, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply some matte top coat on the pinky finger, and then for the rest of the nails I will be applying the glossy non-wipe top coat from Madam Glam. So I did apply my cuticle oil off camera, and that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know down below your thoughts and opinions. Hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. Subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thank you guys once again. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.